So, you really want to see something weird? You ever seen a millipede centipede orgy? You do now. I thought these were just dead ass, like, leaves and shit. Look at that. This is all. They're like fucking or something. It's a big ass orgy. Okay, it doesn't have a big ass orgy, but look at that. Like, I don't even know what the fuck they're doing. Like, ew. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know what they're doing here. It's a literal smorgasbord of just millipede centipedes. I don't know what they're doing over here. I didn't even know they were washed out like this. Do they come from the ground like worms? I don't know. The weirdest thing ever. Oh my god. And they go forever. Look at this. Like you. And it goes all the way down there. I'm not going back down that far. Look at that. I'm stepping on something. That's how weird it is. See? Look, look, look.
Daddy, how to feed?
Okay.